As an MTF crossdresser, one of the most transformative and confidence-boosting tools you can incorporate into your presentation is the use of fake breasts, often known as breast forms or breast prosthetics. These remarkable accessories can significantly enhance your feminine appearance, making you feel more comfortable and authentic in your chosen gender expression. But like any aspect of cross-dressing, using fake breasts comes with its own set of considerations. This video aims to delve deep into the pros and cons of fake breasts, offering you a balanced perspective that will help you decide if they are the right choice for you. Whether you're new to cross-dressing or looking to refine your approach, understanding the benefits and potential drawbacks of fake breasts can empower you to make informed decisions that enhance your journey. Join us as we explore this essential topic, providing insights, tips, and advice that will make your cross-dressing experience more fulfilling and enjoyable. Before delving into the pros and cons, it's essential to understand what fake breasts are and the different types available. Fake breasts, also known as breast forms, are prosthetic devices designed to mimic the appearance and feel of natural breasts. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, allowing cross-dressers to choose the option that best fits their body type and desired look. Here are a few types of fake breasts available on the market. Silicone breast forms. These are the most popular and widely used type of breast forms. They are made from medical-grade silicone, which closely mimics the weight, texture, and movement of natural breasts. Silicone breast forms are available in different shapes, including full forms, teardrop shapes, and half forms. Foam breast forms. These are lightweight and more affordable than silicone breast forms. They are typically made from foam or fiberfill and are a good option for those who prioritize comfort and cost over realism. Foam breast forms are ideal for beginners or those who wear them for extended periods. Gel breast forms. Gel breast forms are a hybrid between silicone and foam breast forms. They offer a realistic feel similar to silicone but are lighter and more flexible. They provide a natural look and are comfortable to wear. DIY breast forms. Some cross-dressers prefer to create their own breast forms using materials like rice, water balloons, or even homemade gel packs. While these can be a cost-effective and customizable option, they may not offer the same level of realism and comfort as professionally made breast forms. Let's explore the advantages of artificial breast implants. One of the most significant advantages of using fake breasts is the enhanced feminine appearance they provide. Breast forms can help create a natural-looking bust line, giving the illusion of real breasts. This can be particularly important for MTF cross-dressers who want to pass as a female in public or private settings. Wearing fake breasts can significantly boost a cross-dresser's confidence. Having a fuller, more feminine figure can make one feel more comfortable and assured in their appearance. This increased confidence can positively impact social interactions, self-esteem, and overall mental well-being. Fake breasts offer a high degree of versatility and customization. They come in various shapes, sizes, and skin tones, allowing cross-dressers to find the perfect match for their body type and desired look. Additionally, breast forms can be easily switched out or adjusted to suit different outfits or occasions. For those who are not ready for or do not desire permanent breast augmentation surgery, fake breasts provide an excellent non-permanent solution. They can be worn as needed and removed when desired, offering flexibility and convenience. Compared to surgical breast augmentation, fake breasts are a cost-effective option. While high-quality silicone breast forms can be relatively expensive, they are still significantly cheaper than surgery and can be a worthwhile investment for those looking to enhance their feminine appearance. Fake breasts are generally easy to use and maintain. Most breast forms can be adhered directly to the chest with adhesive or worn in a specially designed bra. They require minimal maintenance, typically just regular cleaning and proper storage to ensure longevity. Let's explore the drawbacks of artificial breast implants. One of the primary drawbacks of fake breasts is potential comfort issues. Silicone breast forms, while realistic, can be heavy and may cause discomfort or strain on the chest and back, especially when worn for extended periods. Foam breast forms are lighter, but may not provide the same level of realism and can sometimes feel bulky. Some breast forms require adhesive to stay in place, which can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. Even with adhesive-free options, wearing breast forms for long periods can sometimes lead to chafing or discomfort. While high-quality silicone breast forms can closely mimic the appearance and feel of natural breasts, they are not perfect. Certain movements or activities may reveal that the breasts are not real, which can be a source of anxiety for some cross-dressers. Additionally, achieving a seamless blend between the breast forms and the natural skin can be challenging. Breast forms, especially those made of silicone, require proper care and maintenance to ensure their longevity. They can be prone to wear and tear, punctures, or damage if not handled carefully. Replacing damaged breast forms can be costly. In some situations, breast forms can be visible through certain types of clothing, making it evident that they are not natural breasts. This can be a concern for those who want to maintain a discreet appearance. Additionally, storing and transporting breast forms discreetly can sometimes be challenging. For some individuals, wearing fake breasts may lead to psychological discomfort or feelings of inadequacy. The knowledge that the breasts are not real can sometimes detract from the overall experience of presenting as female. Additionally, constantly wearing and removing breast forms may serve as a reminder of one's biological gender, which can be emotionally taxing for some. Guidelines for selecting and utilizing artificial breast enhancements. Given the pros and cons of fake breasts, here are some tips to help you make the most of your breast forms and enhance your cross-dressing experience. Selecting the right size and shape of breast forms is crucial for achieving a natural look. Consider your body type, frame, and the overall look you want to achieve. It's often helpful to consult with a professional or try on different options before making a purchase. While it may be tempting to opt for cheaper options, investing in high-quality breast forms can make a significant difference in terms of realism, comfort, and durability. Look for reputable brands and read reviews from other cross-dressers to find the best options. If using adhesive breast forms, ensure you use a skin-safe adhesive and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Regularly clean your breast forms and the adhesive area on your skin to prevent irritation and maintain hygiene. Certain types of clothing can help enhance the natural look of your breast forms. Padded bras, shapewear, and well-fitted tops can help create a seamless blend and minimize the visibility of the breast forms. Maintaining good posture can help alleviate discomfort from wearing breast forms and enhance your overall feminine appearance. Practice standing and sitting with a straight back and shoulders pulled back. Clean your breast forms regularly with mild soap and water, and store them in a cool, dry place when not in use. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures to prevent damage. Pay attention to how your body feels when wearing breast forms. If you experience discomfort, take breaks and give your body time to rest. Adjust the fit or consider trying a different type of breast form if necessary. The decision to use fake breasts as an MTF crossdresser is highly personal and depends on individual preferences, needs, and circumstances. While fake breasts offer numerous benefits such as enhanced feminine appearance, boosted confidence, and versatility, they also come with potential drawbacks, including comfort issues, skin irritation, and limited realism. By carefully considering the pros and cons and following the tips provided, you can make an informed decision that enhances your cross-dressing experience and helps you feel more comfortable and confident in your feminine presentation. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.